There is a remarkable story about the Chinese bamboo tree that carries a powerful lesson about patience. When farmers plant bamboo seeds, they water them faithfully. Days pass, weeks pass, months pass, even years pass, and nothing appears above the ground. For 4 years, there is no visible growth, but in the fifth year, something amazing happens. The bamboo suddenly grows over 80 feet tall. Did the bamboo grow 80 feet in a few months? No. It was growing the entire time, but the growth was happening underground. Strong roots were forming, roots strong enough to support the height that was coming. Sometimes our lives are like the bamboo tree. We work hard, we stay faithful, we keep moving forward. But for a long time, nothing seems to change. And we begin to wonder, is anything happening at all? But beneath the surface, something important may already be taking place. Character, wisdom, strength. When the time is right, growth appears, just like the bamboo.